From APSRTC, we are operating about 9,200 special buses from different parts of Andhra Pradesh as well as neighboring states like Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Most of the special operations are from Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai and within the state from Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, Tirupati and other major towns. Almost for the entire 10 days period of Sankranti, we are operating about 9,240 buses from 9th to 19th. So I wish all the best wishes on Happy Sankranti.